It's okay. You want to lift it up and then pour some on? I think it's pretty cool. It still reacts even though it's all wet. This is our Christmas science, huh?